today we're gonna be installing something brand new, and that is tire stickers. These say no chem on it. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, clean it with alcohol, and we can get all the contaminants off this tire, and then we can start adding the no chem tire sticker. But yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. I think it's gonna look dope. No chemical. Alright, so I already got the first set done. It looks pretty good, no cap. But yeah, it's just basically the same process. Clean, glue, and then apply it. And so I'm gonna do it to all four sides. Alright, I just finished with all four tires. Basically gotta let them dry for 2 hours. Once they're done, I'm gonna take this plastic piece off, and it's gonna look sick. But yeah guys, that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's pretty simple to do. Just takes a little bit of time just to glue them together, and let me know what you guys think of these new tire lettering. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time in the next one.